Hello, creators, innovators, and social media content creators. Hold on tight. Kling 3.0 has officially dropped. Since its debut, the content creation landscape has been clarified. Discussions, demos, and experiments are going on and flooding creator communities. Everyone's talking longer, smoother sequence, consistent characters, and cinematic storytelling. Before we jump into all the details, a quick reminder: this video is for awareness and learning purpose only. Actual features and availability may evolve, but the excitement you will witness is real. In this session, we will explore how Kling 3.0 transforms script, images, and audio into polished cinematic videos, a step-by-step workflow demo inside Higgsfield AI. Features, subscription plans, community features, reactions, and why the launch is creating waves in the creator world. So by the end, you will see why Kling 3.0 is turning AI video creation upside down. So this video is going to be very informative. Don't skip any part of the video. Let's start with the Higgsfield overview. Viewers, Higgsfield AI is not just a platform, it's a digital creative playground. Here's why it's a favorite among creators. It provides unified production flow, free clean access, professional results, motion, camera, angles, lighting, character creation, and audio automatically align for cinematic level quality. Since Kling 3.0 release, creators have been generating videos that rival traditional studios. Every movement, every dialogue, every scene feels intentional and professional. Let's have a detailed look how it works. Viewers, you can check out here's how you can create stunning videos with Kling 3.0. The process is very simple. First of all, you will have to access the dashboard, visit the Higgsfield AI, log in or sign up, and then you can navigate to the Kling 3.0 section. Here you can check out Kling 3.0 on the screen. Then you will have to click on the Make Videos in one click, and you can also create a new video project. You can select your workflow, reference to the video, image to the video, or text to the video, and then you can add scripts, images, and audio references. You can create prompts according to your imagination with the help of any AI tools, and Higgsfield is also available for your help. And you can also check out the different details like model Kling 3.0 duration, maximum 15-second ratio, and resolution. After picking up the resolution duration, and you will have to turn on the Omni native audio for lifelike dialogues and perfect lip synchronization, and then you will have to click on the generate. So viewers, when you will click on generate, you will watch Kling 3.0 crafts a smooth, continuous cinematic sequence, keeping characters, props, and text consistent even during complex movements. Here you can find out that I have put a prompt and a start image and a video, cinematic video clip has been created according to my prompt. Here you can find out that we can make it fine-tune specific shots without redoing the full video. You can adjust motion elements or audio for the perfect results. You can preview your masterpiece. You can export it in 4K or 8K depending on your subscription plan. And you can share it on social media, professional portfolios, or client presentation. This workflow ensures creators achieve high-quality, lifelike videos with minimum effort, combining speed control and creativity. So, viewers, in this way, you can create cinematic clip, and I can say that I have never experienced such a magnificent feature, such a magnificent platform. So, I recommend all my viewers to try this Higgsfield Kling 3.0 feature to create amazing content. And now, let's have an overlook on the different features. Viewers, Kling 3.0 is not just an upgrade, it's a next-level AI video powerhouse. It provides you unified multi-model workflow, multi-shot video generation. You can produce multi-scene stories, natural lip synchronization, characters and props stay consistent. Sync subtitles and UI text remains sharp. Generate sequences up to 15 seconds continuously, and detailed macro shots, multi-character interactions. and feel grounded and cinematic. So, simply put, Kling 3.0 lets you create professional, visually rich videos that previously required studios and complex softwares. So, now there you can find out its pricing plans. Viewers, you can see that Higgsfield offers two amazing subscription plans for early access to Kling 3.0, and these plans are budget-friendly yet powerful, giving creators premium tools for cinematic video production without breaking the bank. So, viewers, here you can also check out the social media community is buzzing about. Since the launch of Kling 3.0, the creator community has exploded with activity, rapid experimentation using free Kling before going premium, and you can also check out that different AI functions as a virtual director, guideline charts and pacing, longer videos with continuous flows, and cinematic storytelling, multi-shot sequences with perfectibly stable characters. You can find out it on social media and other Rails users, so you can check out that excited creators sharing demos, tips, and desserts. The launch has truly ignited the AI video spaces. So, viewers, we can say that Kling 3.0 has shaken up the content creation. Characters stay consistent, scenes remain fluid, longer sequences allow cinematic storytelling, unified workflows makes creation fast and professional, smarter AI allows complex multi-shot narratives effortlessly. Here's you can show to do next. So, if you enjoyed the walkthrough, commit your thoughts, experience, or expectation for the Kling 3.0, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more AI video tutorials. Dive in yourself and explore how Kling 3.0 can turn your videos ideas into cinematic AI videos.